EPIRBs stands for Emergency Positioning Indicating Radio Beacons. In Queensland, all boats travelling outside 2 nautical miles by law must carry an EPIRB on board the vessel. EPIRBs will have expiry dates, which is generally 5 years from the date of manufacturing. When the EPIRB is expired, you must send it back to the manufacturer or the manufacturer's agent for servicing. It's also a requirement to have your EPIRBs registered. This is done through the Australian Maritime Safety Authority. Registration is a pretty simple process. Jump onto the AMSA website, download an application form. If you're outside 2 nautical miles and the water police pull you over, they'll want to make sure your EPIRB is current and you have it registered through the Australian Maritime Safety Authority.
EPIRBs. Emergency Position Indicating Radio Beacons are rapidly proving to be the best answer to taking the search out of search and rescue. Throughout the world, EPIRBs, as they're called, have had a major impact on reducing the time it takes to effect rescues from days to just hours. They've been instrumental in saving many lives. All Australian states and the Northern Territory require that recreational boats carry an EPIRB when operating beyond a certain distance from the shore. Refer to your safety handbook for specific details. Activated EPIRBs are detected by satellites and overflying aircraft. All alerts in Australia are received by Australian Search and Rescue in Canberra, which then relays them to the appropriate search and rescue authority in each state or territory. This 406 MHz EPIRB transmits the vessel's name, country and call sign and gives global coverage. A 406 MHz EPIRB's position can generally be determined to a radius of 5 kilometres. If there's a problem, it eliminates much of the guesswork out of the search. This top-of-the-range 406 MHz EPIRB incorporates a built-in GPS that indicates its position to authorities to within 30 metres. It also has an inbuilt strobe light which is visible for up to 8 kilometres. Your EPIRB must be in a readily accessible position, such as close to a companionway or the steering position, but it must also be stowed in such a way as to avoid accidental activation. This is how you activate this EPIRB. Attach the line to your boat, extend the aerial, turn on the switch, undo the line, allow it to float free. EPIRBs have expiry dates. Test your battery regularly, at least once a month, and have it replaced before it expires. An EPIRB should only be activated in situations where human life is in grave and imminent danger.